Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says a sequence of how many nucleotides in messenger RNA makes a codon for amino acid. Options are 3, 4, 1 or 2. We have to figure out how many nucleotides does it make a single codon code for an amino acid. The key concept is genetic code. अगर सिंपल टर्म्स में हम जेनेटिक कोड को समझने की कोशिश करें तो इट इज अ कोड टू ट्रांसलेट इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ डीएनए. हमें पता है जो डीएनए होता है दैट कंटेन्स ऑल द जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन but it is present in specific sequence that needs to be translated. So genetic code is the code to translate the instructions contained in a DNA. It is a set of 3-letter combination of nucleotide. अभी हम समझेंगे कि ये क्या होता है. It is a set of 3-letter combinations of nucleotide. These are the 3-letter combination होता है that is known as a codon. Now this codon or each codon corresponds to specific amino acid. So this codon corresponds to स्पेसिफिक अमाइनो एसिड. जो 3-letter कॉम्बिनेशन होता है वो एक अमाइनो एसिड के लिए कोडॉन होता है. ओके, हमें पता है कि डीएनए में बेसिस जो प्रेजेंट होते हैं दैट आर एडेनाइन एंड गुआनाइन. दीज आर प्यूरिन्स, थायमाइन and cytosine. Okay, these are denoted by the letter A, G, T and C. तो ये बेसिस डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशंस में और नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस में प्रेजेंट होंगे एंड एवरी 3 न्यूक्लियोटाइड बेसिस 3 bases will code for 1 amino acid. Code for 1 amino acid. For example, let us assume this to be a strand of mRNA, okay, and it has nucleotide sequences like, for example, A, U, G or U, G, C, U, C, U, etc. Okay, so 3 combination, for example this, this and this. तो ये 3 combinations जो present हैं, this is codon 1, this is codon 2 and this is codon 3. Now each codon will correspond for specific amino acid. For example, codon 1 which has sequence like AUG, it is the specific code for amino acid methionine. Codon 2 which has a code of UGC, It is specific amino acid cysteine. Right? तो इस इंफॉर्मेशन के बेसिस पे हमने देखा that sequence of 3 nucleotides in messenger RNA makes a codon for an amino acid. So the correct option is option number 1, 3. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.